Hi, welcome to StampTV. I'm Kristin Stampini, and today I'm going to discuss from our special report that we offer the benefits of zero down payment program that can be offered to you. The zero cash down payment program offers you a way to buy a home with no down payment, and it may be available to you. That's right, zero down payment. You may have owned a home before and are presently renting, or are first-time home buyers and need a way to break into the housing market again, but held back because you don't actually have the down payment that may be required. And so this might be for you, and you might be qualified, or you may be in the position where you do not want to liquidate your financial assets to use as a down payment to purchase a new home. You know, regardless of your present situation, you want a way to get into or to re-enter into the housing market. So this may be a good option for you without having to make a cash down payment. So you just have to look into your options. If you are looking to purchase a home, but find that you either do not have enough saved for a down payment, or that you don't want to liquidate financial assets to use as a down payment, this report reveals how you can purchase a home with no money down if you qualify. So you know what? This special insider industry report has been prepared to outline what you need to do in order to take advantage of this innovative program, which allows you to get into the housing market immediately with zero down payment. The zero cash down payment program may be just the answer you're looking for. So here's what's required to qualify for the zero cash down payment program. But of course, like other housing programs, the zero down payment has qualifications also. So first, as an excellent credit history, this means no recent history of bad debt and consistent and timely payments of current liabilities. Next would be limited liabilities. So you know what? You will need to required to disclose all current liabilities you have in order to determine how much more debt that you can carry, such as a car loan, credit cards, maybe it's school loans, at least 2 years of employment stability. And you will be required to show proof of employment for the past 2 years, such as a letter of employment, and they will call to verify it. So also your financial statements for the past 2 years and, 2 months of your bank statements. Another would be the financial ability to carry larger monthly payments. So a lot goes involved in this whole situation. Without a down payment, you will be required to meet the obligation of larger mortgage payments as well. So there's multiple things. Your monthly payments could vary from a few to several $100s more per month. So it's important to know all of this. What type of properties can you purchase under the terms of the zero down payment program? I don't know. The program includes detached or semi-detached homes, free townhomes, and maybe condominium townhomes. It is important to note that not all properties will qualify for different programs, such as the zero cash down payment program. To ensure that you get an accurate picture of what your properties may or may not be included in this program in your particular area, it is advisable to review all terms of the program with your realtor. So now that zero cash down payment program has already been discussed, I am now going to tell you about the benefits of the zero down payment program. Here they are. Number one, no down payment. If you are renting, Why pay your landlord's mortgage? Why not reap the benefit of building your own equity? Are you renting because you are held back from owning your own home? Because you think you need a substantial down payment? The general perception of many would-be home buyers, and even that some realtors, is that a substantial down payment is required in order to purchase a home. Well, this is simply not true. Because of this perception, many would-be home buyers, they feel that they have to save for years before they have enough money for an actual down payment so that they can finally enter the housing market or re-enter the housing market. So in the meantime, they are lining someone else's pockets while waiting a long time before they can actually start building their own equity. Well, with the zero cash down payment program, you don't need down payment to buy a home. So also, you know what? Buying a home now. Buy a home now. If needing a down payment is keeping you from owning your own home, this new program offers you an immediate way to get into the housing market with the zero cash down payment program. You don't have to wait to purchase a home. So, last but not least, an approved bank program that actually it is important to know that the zero cash down payment program is an approved bank program. You know what? Review this program with your lender or realtor who has specialized knowledge in financing and can assist you with the zero cash down payment program. So, if you would like a full copy of this full report, you can either reach out to us by calling us at 561-221-2292 or email us at the email below. If you like this video, please don't forget, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment for us and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, the icon bell below, if you hit that, we will notify you every week of the upcoming real estate videos that we release. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.